Hey guys, morning. Hope we're all good. I was just scanning a few coins and I got a few on the radar, but I won't mention them yet because they're not quite ready, I don't think. One that's just piqued my attention is EGLD. I've got it on a 4 hour chart on Binance here. This is my setup with the 5599222 EMAs and the Itchy Cloud with the Daft Crypto one. It's come out of the cloud and it's come back and tested and found support, and it's got a beefy last couple of 4 hour candles. This one's still going. The lagging span is up above price, which is a good sign, and also you've got the Tenkin, just checking, Tenkin line, which is just getting above the 55 and the 99, so good support is excuse me, is sort of around here, and it's up above it at the moment, so it's looking good. I had a tiny nibble about 190, top 190s. I'm going to try and scale into this over about just over about a 3% range down to about 185s, 184s, just in case we get a wick or something on the next candle later on today that comes back. But again, just to show you on the lower time frames with the other EMAs, let's have a quick look. Had a nice downtrend. We had a bit of accumulation, hopefully, and it's just testing resistance. But even on the 1 hour, MACD's crossed over nice. It's getting out of the hourly cloud, and the EMAs hopefully will look to push it up and support it and get it above. If it gets above 195s, then I reckon it's going